Whether you're doing your hair at home or you're getting it done at the salon, the key to keeping volume in your hair is all about the products. So when your hair is styled, when it's wet, you definitely have to start with a killer styling product that's gonna put extra volume in and keep it in there. What you really need to extend it is Embellish Volume Finishing Spray. And when we're using the spray, we're going into the interior. That's how you keep volume in your hair, is you make sure you pick up and you're spraying into the root of the hair, and no matter how you style it, you wanna keep that in the base. Now, second day, what you're gonna do is you're gonna re-blow dry. You're not gonna shampoo your hair, but re-blow dry. You'll re-blow dry to get all that lift back in there, and then take your finishing spray once again and go ahead. Build that volume up just so that it can stay for days.